All right, since it's slow and quiet over here, poor Saab who owns a Saab. That's what we used to say back in the day. Poor Saab who owns a Saab. So Rachel got gifted this Saab from her grandmom?
329.
Her grandmom. So today I get my tires low and my hub bearing screaming on the right front, so she really doesn't want anybody working on her car but me or the Swedish imports guy. Well, I'm your Swedish imports guy too. So we have the whole shebanger here. I'm gonna get started on it, and actually made her scan her own TPMS tire tool with the tire, scan her own TPMSs because Rachel knows what she's doing.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
See? Show them what you did. Go back.
What?
Hit no. And then she scanned all her own tires to see if it had a bad tire on or if it's just low. And then now she's going to soapy water check it.